Can you hear the roar echoing back from the ultimate past? In the historic timeline of American muscle cars, the name Boss 302 is the very definition of track victory and pure dominance. Welcome to the ultimate reveal of the new 2027 Ford Mustang Boss 302. The images you see here are part of the most breathtaking fan-made concept currently taking the internet by storm. This isn't just a regular wild pony, it is a full carbon fiber blacked-out beast engineered to rule the streets once again. Let's dive in. The exterior of the 2027 Boss 302 is a masterclass in blending retro muscle memory with modern hypercar elements. What leaves everyone stunned is the murdered-out glossy black finish integrated with a raw carbon fiber racing stripe down the center. The aggressive hood features a prominent heat extractor stamped with the Boss 302 badge. The iconic tri-bar LED headlights are sharper and more sinister than ever, casting an intimidating glare at any competitor standing in its way. Looking at the side profile, this concept reveals an incredibly low ride height and an aggressive wide-body stance. It rolls on bespoke 21-inch deep-dish forged wheels, finished in satin black. Peeking through the spokes are massive high-performance Brembo brake calipers, finished in striking blue, ready to anchor its massive power. The subtle Boss 302 branding on the front fender acknowledges its priceless track-borne heritage. The rear design is where the visual aggression reaches its peak. The legendary sequential vertical taillights are rendered in a sharp 3D profile, glowing fiercely through the dark garage shadows. The chrome running pony badge sits proudly in the center. Giant quad exhaust tips paired with an exposed carbon fiber rear diffuser guarantee that anyone left behind will experience the terrifying sight and acoustic thunder of this wild pony. Step into the front cabin and you are met with a digital and mechanical masterpiece. The entire dashboard and center console are swathed in lightweight exposed carbon fiber. The flat-bottom sport steering wheel features carbon fiber weaves and the proud running pony centerpiece. Crucially, the layout honors tradition with classic circular gauges combined with a trio of auxiliary dials mounted on the dash, the true identity of heritage race cars. The spherical manual shifter proves this is an absolute driver's car. The excitement doesn't stop in the front row. The rear passenger area is crafted with equal obsession. It features premium sports seats wrapped in fierce, high-contrast red leather. The intricate stitching and deep bolstered bucket contours ensure your passengers stay locked in comfort and safety during high-G cornering. It is the ultimate combination of high-end automotive luxury and racetrack adrenaline. Even though this is a rendering, based on the legendary Boss 302 badge, it must pack a high-revving powerhouse. Enthusiasts project a highly tuned version of the 5.0-liter naturally aspirated Coyote V8. It is expected to churn out a healthy 500 horsepower with a screaming redline reaching up to 8,000 RPM. The pure mechanical symphony derived from this naturally aspirated V8 is something no electric motor can ever mimic. It is the ultimate song of raw mechanical power. The true soul of the Boss 302 is dominating the corners. According to the engineering vision, the car would feature a track-tuned MagneRide suspension system and near-perfect weight distribution. It sheds massive weight compared to a standard Mustang thanks to extensive carbon fiber construction and rear seat weight optimization. It promises to be an agile apex hunter, gripping the tarmac like a magnet and challenging Europe's finest sports cars. Regarding pricing, if Ford ever decides to greenlight this exclusive Boss 302 as a limited production run, it could start around $70,000 to $80,000 abroad. In conclusion, this new 2027 Ford Mustang Boss 302 concept is the ultimate dream for pony car enthusiasts worldwide. It is viral online because it dares to keep the raw V8 soul and a manual transmission alive. If this masterpiece ever rolls off the assembly line onto the streets, it will secure its crown as the king of muscle cars forever. It's mean, it's fast, and it is absolute perfection. What do you guys think of this next-generation king of ponies? Do you love that fierce red racing cabin? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane car concept reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.